with Music Game Club, and today I'm going to tell you how to play Nature Notes. So Nature Notes is a Middle C Treble Clef game, and you come with the instructions. Very, very easy gameplay. There is the success poster, so you can celebrate when a student has won. You can also post this on social media. Feel free to tag us at Music Game Club. You can play with up to 8 players. There are 8 little salamanders. And there are 15 note cards that are treble clef, middle C position, so C, D, E, F, G. This is a Candyland-type play, so it's very, very easy. You're going to have your players start at the start. We'll do 2. First player picks one. It's C, so they get to move to C on the game board. Player 2, F. They get to move to F. Player 1, D. Oh, they are not moving very well. Player 2, another F. Player 1, F. Player 2, G. Player 1, G. Player 2, another G. They are just lucky. Player 1, C. Oh yeah, poor player 1. Player 2, C. Player 1, E. Player 2, D. 1, D. Player 2, E. Player 1, E. We ran out of cards. Just shuffle and keep going. Player 1, D. Player 2, E. There's no E left, so they finish first. So then player 2 won. Again, you can play this with multiple players, one-on-one with students. And don't forget to celebrate with the success poster. Tag us at Music Game Club on all social media platforms: Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. We hope you and your students have fun.